Abeegi barikurenga omuri 10 ahari +2 high school mu district ya Bushenyi bahindire emishomo y'okukunda eihanga ryabo kandi aba bashabirwe kuruga mu bintu ebirikuteganisa emishomo yabo ekyakubasa kubateganisa omu biro by'omu misho.
We have a presidential directive that all schools, both primary and secondary schools, but including even institutions, zona semikwaniziraba through the patriotism training. So today we had a very successful patriotism pass out.
Patriotism kundi hangari yanje kora na government kwa mutwashitwa Teresa hibi.
Training eji emazire ebiro mukaga omwishomero +2 high school Abeegi abatrainingirwe 10 abapasingwa uterizoba.
Abeegi batendekirwe bashomesibwe ebintu bitari mumwe na bimwe.
The right thing at the right time, even when nobody's watching you. That is what patriotism teaches us about. It's not about just singing, I love Uganda, I love Uganda. Love Uganda, serve Uganda, walk Uganda, talk Uganda. Are we together?
Urukwebembera bakuru b'ishomero rya +2 high school nanse namanya asimira Abeegi abwo kutaho mutuma ogwo kushoma okukunda eihanga ryabo.
People that have been with us through the week, they have done a very great job. We thank them so much. The training was so wonderful. We thank our dear students. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
Emishomo y'okukunda eihanga ekatandikwaho President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni emyaka 20 ehingwire n'ekigendererwa ky'okushomesa eminyeto okukunda eihanga ryabo. Gasha kwa Abraham Muganzi.